In the early days when I was first starting to use the value network modeling, I used it with benchmarking best practices. I developed it as a way to systematically handle qualitative data from a question set and roll it back into process. So this was a particular phase of re-engineering activity. And I had an opportunity to work with a team from AT&T that was involved in restructuring all of technology support worldwide. Very, very significant changes were imminent, and they were trying to get a handle on what they needed to do for this restructure. And I was helping them with the benchmarking phase of looking at their technology support process. And so I explained to them that we would be doing this little value network mapping exercise and then developing the question set. And they said, stop, stop, stop. We do not need another map. We have spent 9 months process engineering. We have fishbone diagrammed. We've done our flow charts, we've done our scattergrams. We do not need another map. And I said, well, gee, it'll only take us, a couple of hours at the most of the whole day, and we really can't develop a good question set without it. So they reluctantly agreed to do this. So they had people coming in from all over the world because this was global technology support. And I was busy doing the map there, and we had the roles, and we had the transactions and the interactions and deliverables, and all of a sudden the room goes dead quiet. I mean, you could hear a pin drop. And I look over my shoulder, and they're all giving each other the look, like, do you see what I see? And so I said, well, what is it? What have you noticed here? And finally, one of them got up from his chair and he went to the wall and he pointed at one of the nodes in the value network and he said, it's this. This whole group of people is literally in the way. And I knew at the scale we were talking about, we had to be talking hundreds, if not thousands of people. And I said, well, that sounds pretty serious. And he said, it's very serious. It's us. What I didn't realize was just how significant the reorganization was that they were facing, and that was actually exactly what they were looking for. They were looking for a way to get the work done with a significantly lower head count. And it was a great group to work with, and they did it. They redesigned, they reorganized, and that particular group disbanded. They kept quite a few of the people, some they let go, but this is what was on their plate anyway, and they just needed to know where to do it so it made sense.